So friend, this is the PHP API, and let's click on send. So you can see we have the country list inside an array. So basically this data is stored in MySQL database, and if you check the database, we have MySQL DB, we have MySQL server, and we have world DB, and inside world DB we have a country data country table. So you can see, and there inside country we have a name column which have all the country name list. So this is the list of countries basically inside name column, inside the country table, inside world database. So this is the database, and you can see this is the API which retrieve all the data from database. So it can't call the DB directly. We need a middleware like any API. So we created the API in PHP. So this is the PHP API. So you can see this is the header for the API, and after this we define the configuration of the DB. So currently database on localhost, so we define host as localhost, database is world, which I already told you, and user password is root, and port is 3306 because database is running on port 3306. So inside this we have try catch block. So everything is written inside try. If any error will happen, then it will goes to catch block. So if inside catch block it returns the respective error as a response. So inside try you can see we create the connection object for the MySQL database by using MySQLi object class. So we create a new object of MySQLi here, and we pass some parameter host, user, password, DB port, which already defined here. So it returns the MySQL object, MySQL connection object, and we define the query for the MySQL database, that is select name from country, and connection object have a method query. So query basically performs the query on the database which we defined. So this is the query we pass as a parameter inside this query method. So it performs the query and returns the result. So basically this is the result of the query, and this is in basically in array format. So we will loop through each record inside while loop. So you can see we use while loop to just loop through the result, and inside for every iteration we call the result fetch assoc method, which returns the current row of the result. So, and inside this while loop, one by one we just post the country name, which is the column name basically, which retrieve from the that row property which is here, and we just push one by one country name inside this array. So array is basically defined here. This is the global. This is before while loop, so it will store every country name as the while loop execute. So when this while loop finish, we have all the list of country name inside this array, and after this we just convert this array in JSON format and send back as a response, and after this we close the connection. So this is the code basically in PHP to retrieve data from MySQL database and send back as a response to the client or anywhere from where the API is called. So this is the basic code to in PHP. Hope you like this. If you like this, please subscribe the channel, like the video. We'll back soon with some other video. Thank you.